I'm going to show you how to design best-selling stickers in Canva in a matter of minutes. It's actually one of the most fun and easiest products to create, especially with the way I'm about to teach you. I'll also show you how to offer a physical version of your stickers at no cost to you, which can help you increase your daily sales. Some sticker listings are making hundreds of dollars a month, so there's a lot of great potential here. We're going to design our stickers using Canva. You can sign up for free using your email, and they also have a free trial for their pro version as well. So we're gonna go to custom size, and I'm gonna create a 1000 by 1200 pixel artboard, create new design. And for this demonstration, I'm going to design positive affirmation stickers for postpartum women. I actually sell positive affirmation cards like these, and they perform really well. So I'm basically taking inspiration from my own designs here. And positive affirmation stickers perform really well on Etsy if that's where you're planning to sell your stickers on. Of course, you can sell these on your own website, but this is a great marketplace to get some inspiration for your own designs. So I started by going over to ChatGPT and asking it to list 45 positive quotes for me for these digital stickers. You can sign up for ChatGPT absolutely for free and do the same. So this is the list of quotes that I'll be working with. Let's go ahead and copy over the first one here. And I'm gonna go to my blank artboard, go to text, and then click on title and just paste this over. I can change the font by going over here. This one looks good. And I'm just gonna change the size and just adjust it a little bit here. I'll reduce the line spacing by going over to line spacing, and let's just reduce it slightly, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna position it right in the middle. So let's go ahead and design this sticker. I'm gonna go to elements and type in shapes, and this is the one I'm looking for. So let me just make this larger, position it right in the middle. Let's go to the color here, and I'm gonna make it kind of like a beige color. Okay, that looks good for now. Back into elements, I'm gonna type in leaf. And a lot of these graphics are free to use, but if it has the crown icon, you do need the pro version for it. Actually, let's make this beige leaf. Something like this. Okay. So let's adjust this slightly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and play with the colors. Let's make this black. That's already looking really cute in my opinion. Now I wanna use the same design for all of my cards, but change up the quotes. So I'm gonna go back into ChatGPT, and then I'm going to copy over the rest of the quotes it gave me. Let's go to apps, and I'm going to search for bulk create. Select bulk create right over here and go to enter manually. So let's clear the table, and I'm going to paste those quotes, and I'm just going to label it affirmations. I'm gonna right click on my text and go to connect data and select affirmations. Then I'm going to hit continue, and you can see all of the quotes that I've copied and pasted from ChatGPT right over here. So let's go to create 44 designs. Then at the top, it will say that one design created and saved to your project, so it's gonna open up a different tab. And now I have a new project with all of the cards completed. So I'm gonna go to grid view, and I can kind of skim through to see if there's any of them that I want to adjust. So for example, if I don't like the way this is oriented, I can just go ahead and just move it over like that, position it, go back to grid view. If there's any others that I want to adjust, let's say this one, for example. Now that I'm happy with all 45 of my sticker designs, I'm gonna go to share, click on download, select PNG under file type, and click on download again. Now I have a folder with all my PNG files. There's two ways I can share this with my customers. First, I can create a Dropbox folder called positive affirmation stickers, and then drag all the PNG stickers into here. Then I would go to share folder, and then I would click on copy link. You can do the exact same thing with a Google folder as well. Now you need to create a separate file in Canva where you can paste that link into. So for example, I created this super simple design that says, thank you. You can download your affirmation stickers by clicking on the link below. And all you have to do is hyperlink that Dropbox or Google folder link right here. So go to link and then paste it, click on done, then go to share, click on download, and then under file type this time, select PDF standard
and download. Now this is the PDF file that will automatically send to your customer after they've purchased your stickers, so they can access their stickers using this link.
Now, some customers prefer to receive physical stickers as opposed to a digital copy. So to cater to them, you can also offer physical stickers for free using a print-on-demand company like Printify. Printify will create, package, and deliver your stickers to your customers. So all you have to do is upload your designs onto their website, and they'll take care of the rest. They also integrate with many different platforms, so you can easily connect your store, whether that's on Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, etc. You can check out this video where I've shown exactly how to connect your shop or website to Printify, which I'll link for you down below. I'm excited to partner with them in this video, so you can get a 1-month free trial of their premium plan, which just gives you a huge advantage over your competitors because you're able to keep costs lower for your customers. So you can sign up using the link below, and you can always cancel after your free trial is up and just continue on with their free plan.
There are so many different sticker designs you can use in Printify, so you can browse through their catalog and you can design single stickers, sticker sheets, etc. I went ahead and typed in bestseller, and this is the one that came up, so I'm going to demonstrate for this one. Single physical stickers also sell really well, so that's why I'm going to demonstrate that here. Let's go to start designing, and I went ahead and designed a brand new sticker that's still keeping with my theme. The flower you see in the back is just a Canva graphic that I used. So you would go to share, download it as a PNG file, but make sure to select transparent background, which you will need the Pro version for. Now I'm going to drag my design into the artboard, and let's preview it. And that looks really good in my opinion. That's all you need to do. It's that easy. Just click on Save Product, and as long as you've integrated your shop correctly, you're able to publish your sticker directly into your store.
Make sure to check out Printify entirely for free using the link below, and you can start designing and uploading your digital and print-on-demand stickers today. If you'd like to learn how to create and sell printable greeting cards in Canva, you can check out this video next, and I'll see you there.